Hi everyone, good day. This is Justin with Justin Buys Houses. I'm here checking up on one of our properties, and I thought this would be a great opportunity for a quick little how-to video. As homeowners, one of the biggest things that can depreciate our assets or injure our properties is water. So from the roof all the way down to the foundation, windows, and all points of entry, we need to be vigilant and check on things regularly. One of the easiest ways to keep water away from our property is to make sure that the gutters are clean and to make sure the downspouts are functioning properly. This property here, you can see that the downspout goes right into the ground. So this is something that's less maintenance on the homeowner. If your downspout goes right into a drain and is removed from the property, great. Most homes have a traditional downspout with the little piece on the end, and normally if it's set up properly, there's going to be an extension to kind of extend the water and kick it further away from your house and further away from the foundation. Ideally, you want your landscape graded away from your home to keep water even further away. But one of the easiest ways to keep water away from your home, away from your foundation, is to make sure that the downspouts are clean, the gutters are clean, and that if there are extensions, or if it was originally designed with extensions, that it's still hooked up. Lots of times when you start mowing in the months that you mow, those downspouts can be removed and then the extensions could be compromised. So this is just a quick tip to keep water away from your home. Check your gutters, make sure the downspouts are set up properly and they're either going into a drain or they have an extension and they're going away from your home. This is Justin with justinbuyshouses.com, just trying to add value to our relationship. You can reach us at justinbuyshouses.com. Thanks again for stopping by.